Hi, it's Emmy. Welcome back to Every Day with Emmy. I am spinning right now. I'm on my stationary bike that I have at home in my exercise room. Sometimes I go to a spinning class. I just wanted to quickly give you an encouragement about aging and a healthy lifestyle. As we get older, it's even more important to take care of ourselves. I have gained and lost 60 pounds in my 50s, and I'll be 57 this week, and I'm trying to lose just a little bit that I had put on over the holidays. But most importantly, it's just important to move at least, 3 to 5 times a week. Just get your blood flowing, whether you take a walk or a swim or an exercise class. I try to do something different just to make it interesting. I took a walk the other day. Today I'm spinning. Tomorrow I might go to a body pump class. And it's just as important that you try to eat healthy. Not that you can't indulge once in a while, but try to eat healthy for the most part. Drink a lot of water. It's good for your skin. And the older we get, the more important this is. I took this off the wall to show it to you. No pain, no gain. So, though it's not fun to have to take the time to exercise, and sometimes it hurts and it burns, we always feel better about ourselves when we do. It helps alleviate stress, it's good for your skin, and it's just good for your overall body and your overall health. So, to help yourself age beautifully, take care of yourself. It's so important for you and for your loved ones. This is Emmy. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you soon. Bye, beautiful.